Find the derivative of f of x equals 4x to the fifth at x equals -1. This requires what's called the power rule. The power rule says that if you take the derivative of some number times x to the nth, you are going to take that n, multiply it to c, and then subtract 1 from n. So that's not going to be any different here. I'm going to take 5 and multiply it to 4, so f prime of x is going to be 5 times 4 x, and then I'm going to do 5 minus 1 because you subtract 1 from that 5. And so f prime of x is going to be 20 x to the fourth. Now I'm going to take my x and make it -1. So f prime of -1 is going to equal 20 times -1 to the fourth power. -1 to the fourth power is just 1, and 20 times 1 is 20, so the answer in this case is B.